Rulers of the Rathore dynasty expanded the fort over centuries, adding grand palaces, secret passages, and intricate carvings that tell the tale of Marwar's glorious past. One of the most haunting sights in Mehrangarh is the set of small handprints. High among the golden stands of Jodhpur, standing like a guardian of time, is the mighty Mehrangarh fort. Built over 500 years ago, it has witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties, fierce battles, royal grandeur, and whispers of untold legends. Welcome to the Lara's Ancient Tales, where today we unravel the fascinating history of Mehrangarh Fort, one of India's most formidable fortresses. The story of Mehrangarh Fort begins in the year 1459 when Rao Jodha, the ruler of the Marwar and the foundation of Jodhpur, decided to shift his capital from Mandhar to a safer and more strategic location. He chose a high rocky hill known as Bhakur Shirya, or the Hill of Birds, and began the construction of what would become one of the India's impregnable forts in the India. However, legend has it that Mehrangarh's foundation were laid on the cursed land. A hermit named Chiryanathji lived on this hill and was forced to leave when Rao Jodha decided to build his fortress. Furious, the sage cursed the land, proclaiming that the new kingdom would forever suffer from water scarcity. To appease him, Jodha built a small temple in his honor inside the fort. But the curse is believed to have lingered as Jodhpur still faces the water shortages. Mehrangarh, meaning the fort of the sun, was built with the walls rising 120 feet high and 70 feet thick, making it nearly impossible for the enemies to breach. Successive rulers of the Rathore dynasty expanded the fort over centuries, adding grand palaces, secret passages, and intricate carvings that tell the tale of Marwar's glorious past. Jaipol, the Victory Gate, built by the Maharaja Mansingh in 1806 to celebrate his victory over the Jaipur and Bikaner. Loha Pole, Iron Gate. Near this gate, you can still see the handprints of the royal Rajput women who performed the Johar to avoid falling into enemy hands. Fateh Pole, Ded Kamgra Pole, Amrita Pole. Each gate has witnessed the battles and the heroic sacrifices. The bullet marks from the cannon attacks still remain on the fort's wall, silent witnesses to its violent history. The glorious palaces within Mehrangarh. Moti Mahal, the pure palace, the grand chamber where the kings held court, adorned with glass windows that reflected the light beautifully. Phul Mahal, the flower palace, a room of pure luxury built by the Maharaja Abhay Singh, decorated with the gold filigree work and intricate paintings. Sheesh Mahal, the mirror palace, a dazzling room covered in the mirror work, reflecting the brilliance of Rajput craftsmanship. Each of these palaces was not just a royal residence but a statement of the power, beauty, and tradition. One of the most famous legends of the Mehrangarh is the story of Rao Jodha's descendant, Rao Ganga. It is said that a goddess once appeared to him in a dream, promising the victory if he jumped from the fort's wall with her divine blessing. Rao Ganga supposedly leaped, landed unharmed, and led his troops to be a great triumph. One of the most haunting sights in Mehrangarh is the set of small handprints etched onto the fort's walls. These belongs to the queens and royal women who performed the Johar. sacrificing themselves in the fire rather than falling into enemy hands. Their silent presence is a reminder of the fort's turbulent past. Mehrangarh is no longer just a fortress, it is a thriving museum of history, art, and culture. The fort houses priceless artifacts, royal palanquins, and the ancient Rajput weaponry. Every year, it hosts the famous Rajasthan International Folk Festival and the Grand Marwar Festival. Mehrangarh is not just a fort, it is a testament to encourage honor and the undying spirit of Rajasthan. Its walls have seen both bloodshed and beauty, victory and sacrifice. Even today, as the sun sets over Jodhpur, the fort stands tall, watching over its city, whispering stories of its glorious past. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Lara Sentient Tales for more incredible stories from the past. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.